This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Luanne Brennan. Cute 3-bedroom/2-bath home situated on a quiet street and close to Peavine Rd. The floor plan is open with a stone fireplace, wood burning, and also offers a cozy sunroom that overlooks the wooded backyard. Some updating is in order and is priced accordingly. A new garage door has been installed. Home is heated with natural gas. There is an extra lot to the right of the home that is included in the list price, giving the buyer extra privacy. Extra lot tax ID is 077P007.00. HOA for extra lot is $73 per month. And taxes are $56.75 per year. Lots are not merged. Square footage includes sunroom. For more information